Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are doing a quick beautiful hairstyle that does not take too long. Now if you're interested to see how we're gonna get this hair done in a few minutes, keep watching to the end. Now let's get started with this video. We are going to start this with nice fresh washed hair. So I just washed her hair and I put the leave-in conditioner, oil and all the good stuff. Now I'm just straightening out her hair to be able to start. So to start, I'm going to start with the middle. That's the part where the high ponytail is going to be in, because her hair is full, so it's really hard to just pour everything into a ponytail. So I'm taking it slowly and starting from the middle and put it back slowly, part by part, small portion of her hair, one at a time. Please excuse me for the lighting of this video. I don't know what happened, but the lighting was not so good, but still we're here doing this hairstyle. Now that I have some part of her hair into that position of the ponytail, I'm gonna get some gel and I'm gonna start put gel on the top of her part so that part can start being stick. And I'm gonna pour her hair all together in the point or the position where I'm going to have the high ponytail. So now I'm just gonna be adding the gel all around and tie up her hair. If you're enjoying this video so far, please consider pressing the like button and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. Now that I have her hair put up together on a high bun, I'm gonna have to try to put all that hair that she has away so I can be able to add the extension. And in order to do that, I will do about 4 to 5 medium-sized braids. Now that I'm done doing those braids, I'm gonna put those braids away. It's now time to add the extension, and this is the extension that I'm going to be using today. What I like about this ponytail is that I don't have much to do. I only have to clip this on her hair and tie it out. Because this ponytail was too long for her, I cut down a few inches. And this is the final product. As you can see, this hairstyle is very quick, it's easy. You can do it very quick if you just want to go to a party very quick and you want something a little extra. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that I was able to show you or teach you something. If I was, please consider pressing the like button. Share this video with someone that you know that will enjoy this video, and why not subscribe to our channels for similar content. Thank you for watching. See you on next video. Bye.